today in this video I'll make you to learn how to balance the redox equations and in a basic medium. In the previous class we have discussed how to balance the redox reactions in an acidic medium, and we have solved 3 examples also. So here first look at this one. So here in the basic medium also you just adopt that same procedure. First you predict which one is undergoing oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. Here it is -1 and it is 0. -1 to 0 it is undergoing oxidation, increase in oxidation number. So here it is x minus 8 is equal to -1, x plus 7 oxidation state. And here it is x minus 4 is equal to 0, 2 into -2, x is equal to +4, Mn is in +4 oxidation state, +7 to +4. So this is your reduction. Okay. Write these two parts. First part, which one undergoing reduction? MnO4 minus 2 MnO2. So here 1 Mn is there, you just balance, adopt that same, you follow the same procedure. Okay, Mn, okay, to balance the oxygens on the other side, you just write how many oxygens, like how many oxygens, 4 oxygens here, 2 oxygens here, so 2H2O. So to balance the hydrogens, 2 2s are 4, 4H plus. Okay. So next you need to balance the charge, no? Here it is -1 plus 4, so it is +3 and 0 this side, so +3 electrons. If you add 3 electrons, then this equation will be balanced. Okay. Now next one, I minus 2, I2. Here 2 iodines are there, so you write 2 here, and remaining you balance the charge. 2 into -1, -2 this side, 0 this side. So here if you add 2 electrons this side, and as it is undergoing oxidation, I minus 2, 0, loss of electrons. So if you add 2 electrons here, so here this will be, overall charge will be -2, it will be balanced. So here combine these two equations so that the electrons will get cancelled. Here 3 electrons are there, 2 electrons here. So what you need to do, here you balance this equation with 2 and you multiply this equation with 2 and multiply this equation with 3. So here what you will get, you write that one, 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 4s are 8H plus, 2 3s are 6 electrons, and other side 2 3s are 6I minus, gives rise to 2 into 2 MnO2 plus 2 into 2 4H2O plus 3I2 plus 3 2s are 6 electrons. This 6 electrons will get cancelled. So here you got this equation. Now you need this H plus is there, no? Now you want this equation in a basic medium. So here till now you have followed the same procedure, no? So here at this point, here you look for the H plus ions. How many H plus ions are there? 8. So you add 8 OH minus ions on the both sides. So what will happen if you add OH minus ions? 8. Here H plus and OH minus, we can write as H2O, no? So here 8H plus and 8 OH minus. What it will become? It will become 8H2O. So here I am writing this 8, here 8H plus, 8 OH minus ions I am adding on both sides. So what it will become? MnO4 minus plus 8H2O plus 6I minus gives rise to 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O plus 3I2 plus 8OH minus. Now here look for the cancellations. Here 4H2O, this will be cancelled, and here you will be left with 4. So here you have only this one. Okay. Now if you look at this one, now check whether it is balanced or not, and the resultant, this equation is in the basic medium. So 2Mn this side, 2Mn this side. And oxygens, check for the oxygens, iodines, 6 iodine, 6 here also, 3 2s are 6, okay. Hydrogens, 4 2s are 8 hydrogens this side, 8 hydrogens this side. Now oxygens, 2 4s are 8 plus 4, total 12, and this side 2 2s are 4 plus 8, 12 oxygens. Anything else? Now you balance the charge. So here 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 6 into minus 1 minus 6, so overall charge is minus 8. So here 8 into minus 1, here the charge is also minus 8. So overall this equation is balanced in a basic medium. That's it. Easy. Okay. So we'll solve another exercise, NCERT exercise question. Okay. So another example is here this one. So here calculate the oxidation state. X minus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to minus 1. So it is plus in the plus 7 oxidation state. Here it is in the plus 4 oxidation state. Here it is reduction, decrease in oxidation number. Here minus 1 to x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. It is plus 5. So it is oxidation. So you first write the reduction part here. MnO4 minus 2. MnO2. So for oxygens, to balance the oxygens, you need to write the water molecules. So 2H2O. For oxygen, so 2H2O. So 2 2s are 4 H plus ions. Balance, look for the charge minus 1 plus 4, it is plus 3 this side, 0 this side. So plus 3 electrons if you add, then this overall charge will be balanced. And next here it is Br minus 2, BrO3 minus. So here for the oxygens you add 3H2O and 6H plus this side, and minus 1 this side, minus 1 plus 6. So here it is plus 5, but here it is minus 1. So if you add 6 electrons, then what it will become? Minus 1 minus 6, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6. This will become minus 1. So overall charge will be balanced. Clear? No confusion, no? Here minus 1. Here it is plus 5. All you need is, you need minus 1 here. So if you add 6 electrons this side, this will be minus 1. So charge will be balanced. So here add these two equations, so that electron will get cancelled. 6 electrons that side, you multiply this entire equation with 2. This equation. So what it will be? It is 2MnO4 minus 2 4s are 8H plus 2 3s are 6 electrons this side, plus Br minus plus 3H2O gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 2 2s are 4H2O plus BrO3 minus plus 6H plus 6 electrons. This 6 electrons will get cancelled. 3H2O, 1, you will be left with only 1 H2O here. 8H plus 6H plus this side. So write the equation. 2MnO4 minus plus. So here 8H plus 6H plus. You will be left with 2H plus, no? Plus Br minus gives rise to Here 3H2O, 2MnO2 plus you left with 1H2O here plus BrO3 minus. Now, yeah, you want equation in the basic medium. So to get the equation in the basic medium, here 2H plus is there, no? You just add 2OH minus on both sides. So what it will become? This 2H plus 2OH minus, this will become 2H2O. So already you have H2O here. This will get cancelled. So what is your resultant equation? It is 2MnO4 minus plus 1H2O you will be left with, no, Br minus 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2OH minus. Check whether it is balanced or not. 2Mn, 2Mn. Br, 1 Br, 1 Br. Okay. Oxygens, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7, 9. Hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. Okay, balanced. Now check for the charge. It is 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. It is minus 3. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Balanced. Okay? This is how you have to balance the redox equation. Okay? So if you feel this video is helpful, just give me one like. That boosts up my energy. Okay? And next I'll come up with one more video, one more topic. Okay? Till then, bye.